I have a really excellent impression of TÜV Rheinland. It's my first visit, and I have to say I'm really impressed by the size of the operation, the many laboratories it has. I'm impressed by the competence of the people, and I'm very pleased to see that there is a good mixture between German people and Chinese people, and that they work together very well. And in my view, they are doing an excellent job in testing and certifying. So my first impression, it's like I know TÜV from Germany, but it is now in Shanghai, and I'm very pleased to see that. The laboratories I saw are very large in size and very large in number. So you can do a full range of testing, basically a very comprehensive range of testing, and you have the most modern equipment I've ever seen. So you're testing to the highest standards, you're testing very complex products. Your testing is very important, because it is an enabler to putting vehicles on the market. So you test for safety, for health effects, and I think the whole composition of your test laboratory is very well set and again very impressive. The importance of TÜV Rheinland in the whole mobility value chain is what I would call an enabler. This means TÜV Rheinland makes mobility possible. It does basic testing for safety, for environment, for health, and it certifies that these products are okay, they are in order, they are acceptable for safety, environment and health. So it is making mobility, sustainable mobility, safe mobility possible. I've also seen the many environmental tests you do. I've seen the tests on high-tech environmental equipment like electric vehicle equipment. When we look at electric vehicles, they are the next stage of mobility. So you do in TÜV Rheinland, you do basic mobility, but you also do the high-tech mobility, the electric vehicle mobility. And again, you make sure it's possible, it's safe and it's professional. So all in all, a really very important enabler for mobility. That is what TÜV Rheinland is. I'm very pleased to see it here in Shanghai in China.